Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you know guys, inside this video I used to share daily strategy on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, this is another edition of another video. That's inside this video I'm going to explain to you guys on how to use this particular strategy to trade your trade on crash 1000 and boom 1000. So you can see now this is crash 1000 5 minute time frames, and I will also explain how to use this same strategy on boom 1000 5 minute time frames. So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and do well to join our Telegram group for more free updates on Signal. Thanks guys. So let me show you guys on how to make use of this perfect indicator. So as you can see now, we have our charts on our window 1 here, and we have our charts here exactly. So we are going to use this our setup strategy to catch up our trade every day. So this is crash 1000 5 minute time frames. So what we are going to be doing is very simple. All what you just need is to watch the end of this video, because I'm going to share you the setup of this particular strategy. So we have this our average indicator here, which is this, and the yellow line also, this is this, and we have our one moving average inside, which is this our blue line, one moving average. What we are going to be doing is very simple. What we are going to be looking at every time is that we are going to see that we have our 10 level here, which indicate our buy zone, and we have our 90 level at the upper side here, which indicate our downtrend zone. And that's exactly what we are going to do. And what we are going to do is this: anytime we have our moving average that move below the average strategy and it confirms itself on our 10th level, then that's exactly when to enter this particular trade. That is exactly when to enter this particular trade. So let me show you guys an example now. As you all know that before we can take our trade, we need to confirm maybe this trend is strong enough for us to trade or not. So we are going to confirm that. We can see that if we move our moving average from the beginning of the chart to the end of the chart, we will discover that it must sit on this 10th level before we can take any trade. And if we move this one now, we will see that it does not jump up, it stay at that particular level, and it go below below this yellow line, which is our average line. It go below the average line, and once it go below it, that is when to find a best entry to buy up the market. Exactly what the market is doing now. So what the market is doing now is that it respect this particular indicator, and you are going to find your entry around there, and you can able to escape on the uptrend as you want. And once you reach your 50 level, you can take your profit from that level. You can take your profits from that level. You can take your profits from that level. So let me show you more example of what I mean. Don't forget, we are looking for 10s and a 90% level. We can see that. So let's look for, just wait for the accurate time for you to enter the particular trend. You can see what happened here also. We have another entry, confirmation entry here. So if we move it from the beginning of the screen to the end of the screen, we must discover that this our moving average sit on the 90 degree. It does not move away from it. So let's move it. We can see that we move it to this place, and it still stay on the 90 degree. So we are going to move it to this particular end, and to confirm it. Maybe you can see it is accurate. So that means that once the moving average go outside of the average line, which is the green line that you are seeing here, once it grow outside of it, then this is our confirmation entry. And if you see that, it's going to be our trade is going to be around somewhere here. So, and with that, you can easily catch up your spike massively. You can see what the market did. You can easily catch up your spike massively. So let's look for another thing. You just wait patiently so that you can have an accurate result. You see, we have another confirmation here. So immediately you have your trade show up on this. Immediately you have your moving average go below the level. One thing you first check is this. You have to check maybe that particular level is permanent or not. So once it is permanent, once it stay on that 10th level, then it is permanent for you to take. So that is when you are going to enter that particular market. So let's check this. Let's move it from beginning to the end. We can see it still stay below that 10th level. So that give us a accurate result for it. So it's going to be somewhere around there, and we are going to take up our trade massively. You can see that markets move to up massively like this. So that's exactly what I mean inside this video. So if you keep on checking it, you will discover. Don't forget, if you don't have any trade on your 90 level, don't take it. If you don't have any trade on your 10th level, don't take it. You can see this also. You can see this one to give us a confirmation entry like somewhere here, but it does not sit on our 10 level. You can see that it's jump up. You see it's jump up here, so it's not confirmed. So we wait and we look for a perfect entry to carry on our trade. So that's what we do inside. This is what we do. You understand? Just wait. You wait. Once you wait and you have a perfect entry, then that is good to go. Like what we have here, we have another one here. You can see it. If I move it from beginning to the end, you will discover that it stay on that 10th level. So that means this is the best entry for us to take. You can see your entry is going to confirm around this particular side. Then you can easily catch up the market on the uptrend. So let me show you how this particular strategy also works on Boom 1000. If you want to check Boom 1000, this is Boom 1000. The same principle. What you just need to do is that anytime you have your trade on a 90-degree, then you are ready to set down. And anytime you have your trade on your 80 or your 90 on your 10th level, you are ready to sell up. First confirm maybe the entry is permanent or not. So we have another entry here. So we need to first confirm. Once you move it from beginning to the end, maybe it stay on the 9 or not. So let's move it from the beginning to the end. We can see it stay, but it jump up a little bit. So that means like this now is about 80% accurate or 90% accurate. So you can just minimize your risk and take a little bit. And we can see what happened here. The market go on a downtrend because it does not respect it a little bit. You can see the market go on a downtrend before it give us a massive spike. So if you can wait and look for a perfect entry from beginning to the end, then surely you will make a lot of profits with this. Just imagine a lot of trade that you are going to be taking on this on 5-minute time trade. So let's check another one. This is another example of this. You can see that we have our 90-degree here and it sits on the 90-degree. Let's move it from the beginning to the end. We move it from the beginning to the end. We can see that it does not jump out of it. So that's to tell us that our confirmation is perfect. So you enter your trade around somewhere here and you keep on selling down. You see that the markets go on a massive down. So that's how this strategy works on it. So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly help me to subscribe to this channel and do well to follow our Telegram group because we drop daily updates on it. So guys, let me show you guys the setup of this strategy so that you can also set it up. We have the average directional movement index. That's the number one thing that you need to set. Our average directional movement, we have it. So we have the period to be 20. We have our level to be in different color here, in different level here. We have the 50, we have the 90, and we have the 10. So that's it. So we have our style to be at the color of our background. You see that our style at the color of background, and we have our DI and DI minus DI to be in these two color. So once you do that, then you press on save. And the second thing you need is this moving average. We have the period of 30, our shift to be 0. We have our methods to be simple. We have apply to close, and we have we have our style to be in this color. So you can set it to any color of your choice. So that is the setup of this strategy. Don't forget, just follow the instruction and you are going to make a massive profit. So kindly subscribe to this channel and do well to follow our Telegram group. Thanks, guys.